What's up, lazy people? Today I'm gonna show you how to make delicious meringues in your microwave. For this recipe you need 1 white egg, about 250 grams of icing sugar and 1 lemon skin. To start, we need to separate the yolk from the white. Easy, isn't it? Now a pinch of grated lemon peel. Now add icing sugar. I'm not sure about how many spoons you have to put. I'm beginning putting 10 spoons. How you can see, it isn't hard enough. I need to add more icing sugar. I'm adding 5 spoons more. Let's soak well. Come on, that's not cool. I add all icing sugar I have. Okay guys, I'm trying. I'm not sure about how many spoons of icing sugar I need for this recipe. You should have a dough very hard, similar to Play-Doh. Unfortunately, I have no icing sugar more to add. Oh no, it's too sticky. Come on! Okay, let's try anyway. I'm using the spoon to make little balls. I have no idea what will be the result. Let's find out. Haha, we have a giant meringue. I hope to have a different result, but it's not too bad. It cooked well under and inside. I thought to have a different dessert, but the taste is great. Trust me, for lazy people it is enough. Enjoy! If you liked this video, please click like and share it. Don't forget, for a new recipe in microwave every week, subscribe the channel.